Hello, everyone. My name is Brian Lawrence. I'm the Director of Solution Engineering at NowSecure. And I'm here today to talk to you about our analyst pen testing product called NowSecure Workstation. So, Workstation was the result of NowSecure doing a lot of forensics work, and we wanted to make a tool set to actually speed that process up for us. We ended up automating just a ton of really cool things. We realized, hey, people could really use this in order to test their applications, before something terrible happened, and they had to come to us to try and figure out what that was. So we created this set of tools, and it's evolved over the years to include new updates in security tools and security risk and tests that are out there in the world. So what I've done here is I've just plugged in my device. It's a self-contained kit, so it comes with two test devices, provisioned, ready to go. You connect it to a little Wi-Fi network that the tool creates, and you're ready to go. So I've selected an application, brought it into the tool, connected to that Wi-Fi network that was created, and then I'm also going to put in some search terms. So we do a lot of testing, of course, where testing that every app should go through. But we want to make sure to be very specific to the context of your application and find not just security, but also privacy issues that may be occurring within your application. So we want to make sure that sensitive information, usernames, passwords, zip codes, GPS data, all that fun stuff is accounted for as well. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in some search terms that I use for just about any application. But a couple additions here, just for username, password. You can add as many as you want. You can see there, you can use regex if you want. You can actually have them redacted from the final report if you want them to stay confidential. You can also tag them as related to various compliance bodies, regulatory bodies that might be relevant for your app, for your business. So we got these, we're ready to go. And as anyone who's listening to this knows that's ever done a manual assessment of an Android application, we've got a lot of work in order to get set up, ready to go, and not a lot of times I actually spend testing. So that's exactly where this tool does all the hard work for you. So it is going to set everything up, perform all the testing, analyze it automatically for you. The only thing you have to do is drive the application yourself, just like you normally would. And we tend to find that this takes an order of magnitude out of the time that it takes you to test an application. So if you're working on an assessment cadence that's right now measured in weeks, we're going to cut that down to days. An experienced analyst can generate a full pen test for an application in right about 1 to 2 hours using this tool. So huge savings and gains, and you also get the benefits of NowSecure's world-class research team making new tests for this, adding new features and functionality. You don't have to spend your time worrying about that. We deliver the mobile expertise as part of the product. So I'm ready to test here. I'm ready to go. I could just work through the wizard here. I'm going to go through, first test, data capture, just a baseline assessment. I'm going to walk through, hey, if I just pick up this app as a user from the App Store, what's going to happen when I use it? So I'm on my device right now. I'm going to try and log into the application here, and we'll go too much further, but you can imagine you can do lots of different test cases here. One of the great things about the Workstation kit is its intense flexibility. So this is something where we can use any application that's installed to this device, and actually it is the only product in the world that you can actually perform pen testing on jailed iOS devices for. So I do not have to have a jailbroken iOS device in order to perform a full pen test for an application. I can actually just go to the Apple Store, get a phone, and start testing right away. So an amazing capability there. And we've also done some pretty extreme cases as well. We've tested applications connected to jet engines before. But it also works for things like, we've used it to test, custom provisioning, different app scenarios, two-factor authentication. There's lots of different options here, and it gives a ton of power in the analyst's hands to accomplish things quickly. So you can see we went through, we tried to log into our application, we generated some results here, and oops, this application is actually sending the username and password, you can see on the left there, out to the internet in HTTP. So that's not a great security practice there. And the great thing is, we did some automated analysis there. You'll see we found some sensitive information as well on the device. So down in our forensics section here, we were able to find the build fingerprint being stored locally as well. And that all happens automatically. But one of the great features of the product is the ability for the analysts to leverage their expertise to really dive deep into any one of these findings. So I can actually go into this raw network capture. Many may be familiar with Wireshark. It's a great way to go through these kinds of PCAP files. You can even go packet by packet, see what data was going where and when, and you can hone in on the pieces that you might find relevant, like for instance these HTTP calls to a login authentication service. So great ways to really dive deep, find those needle in a haystack type vulnerabilities that would normally be very difficult. You'd have to spend hours provisioning the device, getting set up, analyzing data, etc. So great gains. One of the things I'll highlight too, one of our newer features is our wonderful pinning bypass. This is where we actually bypass your TLS implementation automatically. So I can actually go in, and doesn't matter how secure your connection is, we're going to see all of that traffic, all the sensitive data going out to the various places. So great way to identify what data is going where, particularly as it relates to privacy. You can see, hey, where is PII going? What ad services are receiving? What data might be going to places that it shouldn't be. So this is a great way to identify those kinds of things. So as you can see here, lots of network testing. A lot around man-in-the-middle attacks, so certificates being validated. Also we can validate pinning by itself, and also the interactive proxies. So this allows us to go in, modify traffic in real time. So you can change, hey, what if this requests are different? You can do a lot of advanced API testing here as well. What if this payload changes that goes to the API? How is that going to respond? So true API testing, you really need a person in the loop there, and we want to make sure to empower that person using this tool to be as effective as possible. So that's your fantastic network testing right there. Then we go into, as I mentioned, data rest, completely automatic. So we're going to look for those search terms. We're going to look for it on SD cards in Android. We're going to look for it in your keychain in iOS. But we also give the analyst the chance to go in and say, hey, what might I not have thought about? What do I need to look for in this application? What could potentially be exposing information, on the device? So you can go very, very easily. You can pull these results into the final report very, very easily as well. Static testing, super easy. Hit start. All of these tests are going to be performed. So rather than taking 2 days to go through all this, analyze it, there's probably some things on here you hadn't thought about before. We're going to do it all completely automatically. It does take a couple minutes, but that's from 2 days down to 2 minutes is a pretty big jump for most of the people that use this tool. So lots of really cool features as well. So for those who may not be aware, the creators of both Radare and Frida, both are on the research team that contributes to this project, to this product. And they have created some really fun and fantastic tools. So I can actually hook in R2 Frida, or if you have Frida scripts you already use or you want to use, you just drop them right in. We've also got some pre-built really cool probes for you. So I can launch the application. Hey, if I want to bypass jailbreak detection, for instance, let's do that. Let's make sure this application can run, that we can test it, and we can actually see that output. Or for instance, hey, I want to know what code is interacting with files. So if I found sensitive information in a file, I want to know what piece of code was actually creating that insecure piece of data on the device. I can actually go through and do that. And of course, last but not least, the reporting. Nobody likes spending time, making reporting after we've done all that analysis. The workstation makes it very, very easy to customize this report. Make sure you include exactly what you need to. Make sure it's actionable and that bugs get fixed as quickly and as effectively as possible. So, we put in recommendations for remediation based on the book that we wrote on secure development best practices. And then all you have to do is hit the report button. And you can print this out as a PDF. You can send it out as XML or JSON into any machine readable APIs that you might need. So, really great way to deliver value very, very quickly and make sure that security problems are fixed as quickly and as effectively as possible. So, thank you everyone for your time and hope to speak to everyone soon.